The best way to make passive income in 2024 is YouTube automation. You won't believe how much money new creators are making with this passive income method. With the power of AI tools that we have today, creating faceless videos is super easy. The crazy thing is, you don't have to spend all day editing and writing scripts. With these new AI tools, you can automate the whole process and enjoy your time. One of the most important things that you must understand is when starting a faceless YouTube short channel, your niche must be popular and there must be a big audience for it. If not, your short videos will not get a lot of views. The niche I'm about to reveal today has these features, and the best thing is creating videos for this niche is super easy. In this video, I will show you how to create videos for this specific niche. This niche is called Horror Facts Niche. There are two methods to create videos for this niche: manual method and automation method. I will show you both ways. Let's start with the manual method. The first thing we need to do is create a script for this video. As usual, we can use ChatGPT for that. Let's go to ChatGPT and create a script. When creating this script, make sure that this script does not sound like an AI-generated one, and it should be interesting, and there should be a good hook at the beginning of the video. So I have created this specific prompt. You can use this prompt to generate the script. I will leave it in the description. As you can see here, ChatGPT is generating an amazing script for this story. It's a story about the Bunny Man, which is a real incident that occurred in 1970. You can use this same prompt and only change the topic of the video. The next thing we need is voiceovers for this story. I'm going to use 11 Labs. If you don't like 11 Labs, watch this video. It has alternatives for 11 Labs. So, after signing into your 11 Labs account, you need to find a suitable voice for this story. Since this is a horror story, I would recommend you guys to use a deep and slow voice. After you select the voice, all you need to do is copy and paste the script we generated and create voiceovers. It's as simple as that. Okay, now, we need to create images for this video. For that, I'm going to use Leonardo AI and ChatGPT. First, we need to create image-generating prompts for each scene in the script. We can ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for this story. So, I have created this specific prompt for that as well. You can get this prompt in the comments section. After generating these prompts, go to your Leonardo AI account and use these prompts to generate images. Sometimes the images will not come out as you expected, so try several times for that. Just like this, you can generate images to represent the whole story. Then, all you need to do is edit these using a video editor like CapCut or Filmora. I know that this manual process takes a lot of time. Apart from that, the image generating process is really hard because most of the time, images don't come out as we want, so it's really frustrating. That's why I have decided to show you guys this automation method as well. Let me show you the video I created using this automation AI tool.
Ever picked up a hitchhiker only for them to disappear without a trace? You're not alone. The vanishing hitchhiker is a chilling urban legend that has been told for generations. Picture this. A lone driver late at night spots a stranger on the side of the road. They offer a ride, and the stranger climbs in, often sharing a tale of woe. But as the car approaches their destination, the hitchhiker vanishes, leaving behind only a faint scent or a lingering chill. One real-life story comes from a woman named Linda. Driving home from a party, she saw a man in a tattered suit on the side of the road. He asked for a ride to the cemetery, and Linda reluctantly agreed. As they approached the gates, the man vanished, leaving behind a single red rose. Linda later discovered that the cemetery was the final resting place of a man who died on the same...
That video you just saw was made by an AI tool. The script, voiceovers, images, effects, and final editing. All these things were done by a single AI tool, and it's called smartshort.co. The best thing about this AI tool is that it's cost-friendly, and this AI tool has the ability to create images exactly as the script. I haven't seen any other video-generating AI tools do that. Let's say you don't want to create videos for this niche manually, or you don't have enough time to edit the video, then the best option is to use this AI. Even if you use the manual method, you will have to spend some money on 11 Labs and image-generating AI tools. This AI has the ability to generate 100% unique scripts and images each time, so you don't have to worry about the reused content issues. So, let me show you how you can use this AI tool to create videos for this niche. After you sign up for your account, click this new project option, and you will come to this page. Here you can either type your prompt and let this AI to generate the script, or you can add your own script here, if you have any. In this case, I'm going to use the same prompt that we used earlier. As you can see here, this AI has generated a script for us, and I think it's pretty good for this story. If you don't like this script, you can always regenerate it without any issues. Then, you have the option to select an AI voice. This AI has all the voices from 11 Labs. Therefore, these voices are ultra realistic. You can check these voices and select a suitable voice from these. I'm going to go with Adam. Then, here you can edit the number of footage per second. I'm going to change this to 1 footage per second. Then, you have these important settings where you can enable or disable transitions, sound effects, and animated footage. If a video has a lot of silent parts, then that video will start to get boring. Therefore, make sure to enable this option about removing silent parts. After enabling all these options, click this Generate button. This AI will start the video generation process, and it will take several minutes to complete it. After the video generation is completed, you will come to this page where you can preview your video and edit it. Using this left side menu, you can edit the subtitles and change the colors for each line. If you go to this styles, you have access to more than 20 caption animations. If you don't like the caption style that they have used in your video, you can simply change it to one of these. Using this edit option, you have the ability to edit advanced options such as animations, effects, and sound effects. Let's say you want to change the images of the video. Go to Footages and simply click this Update option. It will generate a new image for that scene. This is really good. Finally, go to this music option to add the background music. They have some popular background music. You can select one of these, or you can upload any background music to here. After editing all the things, click this Save button and download your video. Among all other short video generators, Smart Short is my favorite. If you don't have the time to create video manually, this AI is the best option. They have 3 plans. Basic Edition has 20 videos per month with all the premium voice options, HD quality, and more, and it's $19 a month. The Expert Edition is $39 a month, and it has 50 videos per month. If you are planning to create 2 channels, this option is good. And finally, they have this Pro Edition plan, which offers 100 videos per month for $69. If you have more than 5 channels, this is the best option. If you want to buy a subscription for this AI tool, use the link in the description and use this promo code to get a 10% discount. You can use these same videos not only on YouTube, but on TikTok and Instagram as well. Trust me, you will get a lot of views. This niche is one of the best niches for short videos. With that, our video has come to an end. I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. Make sure to join our Telegram community as well. I will see you guys in the next video with the new niche. All the best.